Now we're gonna make the side skirts. That one you can see over on the reference pictures. But before that, we have to fluff this part up. This needs to be a little bit more fluffy, as you can see over on the blueprint. Just simply use the AS. Let's take those and just push them inside. Nice and easy. Same with this part. Now I take the middle edge loop and do the same thing. AS, fluff them up. Now we have a good shape over here for the vent. And if you go to the back, this part over here, we might have to pull this up too with AS, same thing. Let's grab those and just maybe just pull them out a little bit, or maybe not. And let's see, pull that out there. I grab those two. Get that. Pull that out. Nice and easy. There we go. There we go. We have fixed the part over there. Now it's everything on place, nice and smooth.